Python series video number 2. So in the last video we have discussed a basic program which uses if and else and calculates whether the number is even or odd. So today we are going to discuss the while loop, and also we use a program where we have if else sort of conditional statement, and then we will be validating a password. So if user gives a login password, what should be the code that actually validate the password. So we are going to see in both Java and even Python. Let's get started. So in this program, if you see that we have used a for loop. Now I will modify the same program which used the while loop. Okay, let me come here. So see, I have first and second. Now what I will do is while first less than equal to second colon. So I'm just telling that, for example, first is 10, second is 20. Then when 10 is less than equal to 20, what I need to do, I need to first verify it's even. So we first percentile 2 is equal to 0, then again colon, print okay, we will have to pass first here. Okay, sorry, canvas. The number is even, right? Okay, we have to face F, then only argument will be passed. Else simple, again colon, print, I'll just take it and just put it as, but here just remember the indentation is very important in Python. Okay, so if you see there is a proper indentation, if inside or else inside, then it is odd. But here if you see in for loop there is a range, right? Here there is no range. Okay, see the first is always will be a second. We need to increment the first to go to the second, to go to the keep on incrementing. So what I'm going to do, under if first is equal to first plus 1, there is no so since it is a Python. Okay, so what we are going to do here, so if we want to review it, it just comes 10 is less than equal to 30, then it verifies 10, and then it will 10 will become 11, 11 become 12, 11 to 13, until it reaches less than or equal to, it is going to print. Now let us test this code. I'm just run it. It is asking 10, 30. You can see this, the number, if percentile by 2, so 10 is even, and in this so you can see that it is correctly pending. If you want, if you put it less than, then it will print 10, 30. Obviously it will print till 29. Now we have seen for loop we are using range over here, but while if you want to use while loop, then first we need to put the condition here, and we need to keep incrementing till it you reach it. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about a password generator. First let us discuss with Java. I will create a new file. I'll just put password validator. Right, this is password validator. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a program that actually validates the given password. Okay, so scanner will be scanner, and I'm going to just delete till here, let it delete. Now instead of starting number, I'm going to put the password Okay, now scanner is taking it, and I am going to take, now I need to take the value from a scanner. Now what is my password? Is equal to scan dot next line. Okay, you need to know initially we were used uh, int, but it's not int here, it's a string here. Okay, all right, now we have taken the password. Now we are going to understand the interesting thing called while. If you see some things, right, like you want the loop to be keep on giving until we give execute or until we reach the statement, then we have to use while true. That means this loop will execute till the condition is true. Now I need to just keep it here. I just here, this also I'm going to keep it here. All right, so it will take it. Now first, the first condition which I'm going to use is that my password length should be greater than 8. Now I need to write if password dot length less than 8, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to print it that the length of the password is less than 8. Right, now I have to if. Now I'm going to do for the else if in case my password is greater than 8, then I need to put one more condition. Password, okay, I'm going to use a regex here. Password dot matches, regex matches, and I'm going to put dot star A to Z dot again star. Okay, so it means that my password should contain at least one capital letter, and then I'm going to put if else. Then if it is not, if you see not operator, then what we need to do, you're going to again complaint password should have at least one small letter, right? Now we'll put one more condition. Okay, nothing but, let me take this little while. Okay, I will put it for capital. We will try to have a right. Okay, now we'll put it for capital, and we will put capital letter. Okay, now we try to put it for digit. So same thing, it does not matches, and we are going to dot star slash d dot star. So what is this does, it will find out that any single digit is there out of all the string. Okay, one digit. So but if in case it satisfies all the conditions, then what I'm going to do, I am going to else, I'm going to copy paste the password is valid. All right, the password is valid. All right, so now we have these things, but so till what it, if you keep the code like this, it keeps on, what is do it keeps on looping it, right? While true, while true, while true, while true, it keeps on looping. We need to break. Where we have to keep? Here. Just come out. In case the password is valid, please come out of the loop. Okay, now we have to, this is while. Okay, all right, let's see. Any issues? We'll fix it off. Oh, this main does not have, it seems. Okay, all right, let us try. If any issue, we'll fix it up. So to review, what we are doing is we're taking the password, checking the line if condition. If this pass, then again we have to check for the one small letter, capital letter, one digit. If all the conditions pass, we have to make them valid. All right, let's run it. Okay, using duplicate class main. Why? And I'm using duplicate import. Okay, what's the problem here? Class main throw just okay. Class have error. Why? Okay, okay, what I will do, there are two classes. Okay, what I will do, I'll just try to copy paste and in chat GPT, and we'll put in the error, what error I'm getting. It's 3. Let's see what is the issue. Two classes in the main. Oh, there is a main and there is a class. Okay, public class main. Okay, this seems the public is the problem. So okay, I do it. All right, we have public class main. The class should be public. Okay, and scanner, new password and digit. Okay, let's try now. Okay. Oh, that's the problem. We have two classes over there, so that is the problem. So let me put this, and I will rename, copy, then keep it. So that's the problem. We were having a both case. I just copy paste it. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm asking password. Swati. The length of the password is less than 8. Again, the problem, right? Swati Kali, at least one special character, at least one capital letter. Swati Kali, at least one digit, Swati Kali 1. Cool, the password is valid. Now you can see now what we do, we'll try to do the same program in Python, right? Okay, let us go to the Python replayed. There's nothing called Python replayed. Okay, all the thing is that we just created a Python template for the replayed. Okay, so now this time I'll create a new file. Then password validator.py, right? Add a file. It seems by mistake I have yes, delete the folder, new file. Okay, upload folder. Okay, I'm creating password validator.py. Okay, all right, now we will see the same program how we are going to achieve in Python. All right, so now for regular expression there is a package called import re. Right, now we can directly, don't need to create any class, public static void when we can directly start with there is no bracket, and T is capital in Python. True, T is always capital in Python. Okay, why true? Now we are going to take password is equal to input of enter a password. Right, we are just directly taking. Now once we enter the password, now we can do our normal operation. If length of password less than 8, if length of the password less than 8, what we have to do? We have to just print. Okay, and see, you have to indentate, otherwise Python will not accept if there is no indentation. Okay, so okay, print just one. Sorry, the password length is less than 8. Okay, next, if. Now we have to use one more condition called else if. For we in Python there is no else if, it's called elif. Okay, elif, and we have seeing this here, you have that not operator, right? In Python it's directly not re dot search. So this is a regular search portion, we have a method called search in the bracket a hyphen z. This should go like this. And we have to pass this. Okay, so again colon. So what we are doing, if and else if, in Java it's else if, in Python it's elif, and not operator, it's not. So elif not re dot search a hyphen password, right? And now what I'm going to do, right, password should have at least one small letter, right? All right, now the next is capital letter, and I think you would have already find out what the simple thing I need to do. I need to indentation, sorry, Okay, what need to do, this both are same, it is telling, we have to tell it E Z, sorry. Okay, if you see here, if not, else if not, what it is telling, printed at least one capital letter. All right, so now one more condition, we say that at least digit, right? So I'm just copying pasting again, digit, right? So what is digit is 0 to 9, so simple. Sorry, 9, and we need indentation, sorry. Okay, and one digit. Okay, now see it it again met. Now what we will do, we will add one more special character for this. Okay, simply I just copy it, we are already doing this. Special character, the special character, sorry, yeah, the special character is nothing but operator slash w slash w slash s. Okay, now we need to have, sorry, the password at least one special digit letter, right? All right, so now we have mostly set. Now what I am going to do is run the program and see. Now if you see, while true, it keeps on going. Now we need to break the loop, right? That is important. If you want to, if you find it, then you have to break the loop. Where do you are going to break the loop? For this if we have to write, right? If, else, if doesn't, it doesn't fit into this category, you just spread it. Cool, you have given valid password, right? You have given valid password, and now we need to break the loop. Breaking is important, other because you have put the condition while it is true, something is true, when you break it, it's going to be false and come out of while loop. Okay, simple, there is no, so okay, this is our code. You let us first run it and discuss what is, how it is different from Java. Oh, it's still running this one. Okay, let me shell python okay, enter the password, trying sorry, the password in this, just a second, I'll put this colon, okay. All right, next again, control C, yeah, okay. Swati, sorry, the password length is less than 8, you again try, okay. Then all capital, okay, again that it is less than 8, right? So it stops here only, it stops here, right? So let me write some things. Now it should have at least one small letter. Here we are giving one small letter. Now we will write at least one capital letter. Now what we do, we will, okay, have one capital, more than at least one digit. Okay, now if you write which specified oops, you have a valid password. So everyone, so now what we have done is that we have written the same code in both Java and Python. Let us discuss some differences. In Java, we are taking the value using a scanner, and then we are giving it true conditions, and we are using if else and stream scan that close. But in Python, very similar to that, we are not using any public starting, not even class being created, just a simple raw Python file. We are just putting true and taking the password, and we are just same code as like Python, and once it is reaches to break it. That's it everyone for this video. Just please subscribe, like and share, and let me know in the comments what do you think to study between and Java and Python. If you know Java by this class, I think you would have understand that what how it is simple to write in Python, what basic differences are there. For example, if you see there is a we are differentiating if else with a curly basis. If you could see there's the if is basically if else if partition is basically determined by the indentation. Okay, initially indentation may take some time, but when you get used to it, this is going to be very easy. Happy coding everyone. Please, thank you, visit again.